Hey everyone, I decided today to try recording with my kiddos at home, and I had two in the studio, and you'll get to see and hear mostly bits and pieces of them, but I am excited to show you guys this poppy video. The past couple weeks have been so crazy. As everyone is there too with this whole COVID-19 thing, we're all homeschooling our kiddos and we're all in the same boat, and it's been super hard for me. But today, as I painted and I thought of you guys and I thought of how painting helps my anxiety and my worry and my stress level, it just brings it all down. I hope that watching this and maybe trying it for yourself will be an encouragement to you. Hey guys, today we are going to paint these poppies, and I've got my two little kids in the studio with me, so you might see hands or hear some noises, but we are going to attempt this. I have my 2-year-old on my lap, so we will see how the video turns out. This is more of an abstract poppy painting, but I like the flow of it and thought I would show you guys along the way of how to do it. So, all right, let's see how it goes. All right, so I started out with a dark Winsor and Newton red, and I mixed some burnt umber into it, and it gave me this really moody, rich red. And starting out with lots of pigment on my brush and rinsing a little bit as I go. And I'm gonna rinse most of my pigment out of my brush, and I need to grab my tissue here or paper towel, whatever you have close by. And I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water there at the edge to give it that nice bleed. What does that mean? It means the paint is gonna bleed into that wet spot. My little 6-year-old girl is standing beside me, and she is a crafty girl and loves to paint and is always learning as well. So then we're gonna
hugging.
Yeah. And do the bottom, the flower there. Oh, please don't touch the table or anything. Yes. You got a banana? All right. Let's see if we can open it for you.
I can.
Next, I'm going to take some black and mix in some burnt umber again, and use this for the inside stamen. Okay, just a minute. And we're going to... Okay, Zeke, can you be a little quiet? All right, next we're going to take a pause and open the banana for the little kid. No, not right now.
Oh, Mama.
Mm-mm. There you go. Say thank you.
Open.
You want to hold it like that? All right, next we're going to add in the stem. I mixed some sap green with some lamp black again, and we're just gonna go in here like this. Rinse most of the paint off. Go in like this. No. All right. Next, we're going to attempt this part of the flower. This is more of like a side view versus the open view that we did here. And
she's gonna do the same thing, but no middle.
I'm also gonna take some of this red and just kind of splatter it on my paper a little bit while it's wet to give some
Dotsies.
texture.
Texture getcha.
Using the same green that I used previously, I just added in the stem there, and I'm actually going to add some leaves at the very end. I wanted to get the flowers in first, and adding the water here to make it bleed is totally your preference. Wherever, however much you want to use is totally up to you. And we're gonna do this little one here, just try to get this concept a little bit here in the center, but I've got lots of wet paint water here, so it might not turn out how I'm envisioning here, so. All right. This is definitely has been a whirlwind of several weeks, having my kids home and homeschooling and trying to, I just have not been able to get any videoing done, and today I was like, you know what, we're just gonna attempt it with them. I've got 2 other kids that are off right now doing some other things, and so we've got my 2 of them in here with me. Wrong color here. That was the brown, and I needed the green for the stem again. So I hope the children were not too much of a distraction for you guys, and you guys enjoyed having little bits of real life on here. And this green, for the leaves, I'm not overthinking it. I'm just doing, and sometimes that's the best in watercolor, is just like doing and not even like thinking too much of it. I'm gonna take some green and splatter that as well, and there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I sure did, and we'll see you guys next time.
Mom?